Hey guys, so today I'm going to show you how to uninstall a program. This is honestly pretty straightforward and easy and doesn't take a whole lot of time, so let's just get right into it, okay? So first you want to go ahead and go to the search bar, or just hit the Windows key, also works. You're going to search uninstall. Pretty simple. And whenever you open this up, you'll see that there's a bunch of programs you'll be familiar with or unfamiliar with. And you can just go through and find one that, hey, I don't use that, so, just click this, uninstall, or you can, well, I thought you could right click, never mind. So, but you can go through these and find ones that you don't want, uninstall them, and there you go. There's also another way to uninstall programs, which is pretty easy as well. You just want to do the Windows key to search again, or click on the search, and you're going to type in control. That'll open up or show the option for control panel, and you just click enter or select that. It'll bring you to another page, the control panel, and you're just going to want to hit the uninstall a program button way down here at the bottom. So you can just go through, find one that you don't want to use or you don't need anymore or something like that, and just, right click uninstall or uninstall up here. It'll get rid of it. So typically, if you try to uninstall a program and it's still uninstalling and it's taking a long time, you're not able to uninstall another program on this one. But if you uninstall on here and then you go to the other area in the settings, you can uninstall on here. So you can do two at the same time, technically. So instead of waiting on here for one to finally uninstall, you can just go on here and start looking for more to uninstall. So you can keep if it's a slow process for you, it'll speed it up a little bit. But it's useful to know that. All right, guys. Well, that's all I have for you. If you enjoyed this video, just leave a like, subscribe, and a comment if you want to. But you guys have a great day, and thanks.